What if I told you that there's a single natural ingredient that can give you glowing skin, transform your hair, and improve your overall appearance without the complicated routine? And the best part, it's not an expensive serum or pricey treatment. It's completely natural and you might already have it in your home. In this video, I am talking about 5 incredible anti-aging benefits of castor oil. If you're like me, always on the go, juggling work, life, self-care, you're probably looking for simple and natural ways to keep yourself looking youthful. That's why castor oil is such a game changer. It's a simple, yet effective and affordable solution that has stood the test of time. It's one of those age-old remedies that has regained popularity for its incredible benefits. Yet most people today completely overlook this amazing all-in-one solution. And here's what is truly fascinating. While beauty brands push expensive breakthrough ingredients, few talk about how castor oil has been scientifically proven to support firmer skin and thicker hair naturally. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this affordable oil to combat common anti-aging concerns and simplify your routine. And you don't want to miss number 5 because it could completely transform how you feel every day. As a busy and professional woman over 40, I face some of the same challenges that you have, and I have spent years cutting through all of the noise to find out what really works. People constantly ask me about my wellness routine, everything from nutrition to fitness to beauty, and that is why I created Lean Body Optimal, to share practical and science-backed strategies for busy and professional women like us to look and feel their best without the all or nothing approach. So let's get into it. But before we dive in, I should mention that you should always talk to your healthcare professional before trying any new treatments. What might work for me or another person might not work for everybody. Benefit number 1, facial lymphatic drainage and reduced puffiness. Do you wake up with a tired and puffy looking face no matter how much water you drink or how early you go to bed? Instead of another pricey cream or trendy facial tool, the answer could be a simple oil and a 2-minute facial massage. Castor oil stands out from other facial oils because of its unique composition. It contains approximately 90% ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid with powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce fluid retention at a deeper level than most skincare products. When applied with gentle upward massage movements, castor oil stimulates your lymphatic system, your body's built-in detox network. This helps remove excess fluid and toxins that can accumulate overnight, causing frustrating morning puffiness. The technique is simple but effective. Take a pea-sized amount of castor oil, warm it between your fingers, and gently massage it upward along your jawline and your cheekbones. Focus on areas underneath your jawline and behind your ears. Those are your key lymphatic drainage points. For best results, incorporate this into your nighttime routine 3 times a week. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you might notice a more defined jawline and significantly reduced morning puffiness. If you find castor oil to be too thick or heavy, try diluting it with jojoba oil at a 1-to-1 ratio. This creates a perfect consistency while maintaining the benefits. Benefit number 2, hair growth and scalp health. Ever wonder why some women maintain thick, lustrous hair as they age while others experience thinning? The secret often comes down to scalp health and blood circulation, 2 things castor oil naturally improves. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil increases blood flow to your scalp, delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to your hair follicles, creating the ideal environment for stronger, healthier hair growth. But here's what most people don't realize. Castor oil works on multiple levels at once. While improving circulation, it nourishes your scalp with omega-6 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin E, strengthening hair from the inside out. Its low molecular weight allows it to penetrate hair follicles more effectively than other oils. Once inside, it nourishes and strengthens hair follicles while extending the hair's natural growth phase. Plus, its antimicrobial properties fight dandruff and scalp irritation. To use castor oil as a hair treatment, mix it with coconut oil at a 1-to-1 ratio. This makes it easier to apply and wash it out while adding additional benefits from the coconut oil. Section your hair and apply it directly to your scalp, massaging it for 3 to 5 minutes to boost circulation. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for maximum benefits. With weekly use, you might see less hair shedding in a month and visibly thicker hair in 3 months. For an added bonus, apply a tiny amount, literally just a drop, to your ends to seal in moisture and add incredible shine without weighing your hair down. Enjoying the video? Then please click the subscribe button below, like and share it if you're finding this helpful. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more anti-aging and wellness tips. Benefit 3. Eyelash and eyebrow enhancement. Are you struggling with thin or sparse eyebrows or eyelashes? Then castor oil might be the solution that you're looking for. Its low molecular weight allows it to penetrate hair follicles more effectively than other oils. Once inside, it nourishes and strengthens existing follicles while extending the hair's natural growth phase, leading to thicker, longer lashes and fuller brows. Application couldn't be easier. Using a clean spoolie or your fingertip, apply a tiny amount to your lashes and brows before bed. Be careful not to get it in your eyes, though castor oil is considered safe in some eye drops. The key to seeing results is consistency. Apply it nightly for 6 to 8 weeks. Many see fuller eyelashes in about 3 weeks and eyebrows filling in about a month. And an unexpected benefit that many discover is less eye irritation and dryness. Castor oil helps prevent tear evaporation, which is a great perk for those who sit in front of computers a lot or in air-conditioned rooms. Benefit number 4, anti-aging skin benefits. What if I told you that you could achieve smoother, more youthful-looking skin without all of the expensive procedures? Unlike regular moisturizers that sit on top of the skin, collagen penetrates deep into the dermis where collagen and elastin production happen. This makes it one of the most powerful natural anti-aging oils available. The science behind castor oil's effectiveness is in its structure. These fatty compounds help maintain your skin's moisture barrier while stimulating the production of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for your skin's firmness and elasticity that naturally decrease as we age. To use castor oil as an anti-aging treatment, apply 3 to 4 drops to your face and neck 2 to 3 times a week. Warm it between your fingers and then gently press it into your skin instead of rubbing. This improves absorption without stretching or pulling your delicate skin. With consistent use over 8 to 12 weeks, many report significant improvements to the texture of their skin and fewer lines. Some even notice a gradual fading of age spots and hyperpigmentation thanks to castor oil's regenerative properties. Here's a tip. Mix 1 drop of castor oil with your moisturizer to boost absorption. This simple trick helps those expensive serums work even better without changing your routine. Benefit number 5, digestive health and inflammation reduction. Did you know that castor oil could help not just your skin and hair, but also your gut health? Castor oil has been used for centuries to improve constipation and bloating. What makes it effective is its high concentration of ricinoleic acid. This stimulates specific receptors in the intestines, promoting natural movement and digestion. To apply, warm 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil between your hands and massage it topically to your abdomen in a clockwise circular motion for 5 to 10 minutes before bed. Have you tried castor oil before? I would love to hear about your experience. Drop it in the comments below. And there's also lots of other links to help you on your wellness journey. And if you found this information helpful, then you won't want to miss my video, Stop Cardio Now, How Women Over 40 Are Getting Better Results. I reveal why endless cardio might be holding you back and what to do to get better results, especially if you're over 40. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you never miss any videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.